Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady, and today we have Doug Silverman from Movement Mortgage. And Doug, thank you for coming today.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're going to talk about jumbo. What are we talking about? What's jumbo? What is jumbo?
Jumbo
Doug?
is a word usually used to describe something that's very big.
Fair enough.
In this case, jumbo mortgage is any mortgage that's over the loan amount of $453,100.
Okay, and that $453,100 is a conventional loan, correct?
Right. That's
okay.
a loan backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac,
Okay,
which are the largest mortgage insurers in the country.
gotcha.
And they provide a bank like mine liquidity in the market and allows us to lend money. So anything over and beyond what they allow, which is $453,100, is called a jumbo mortgage.
And who backs the jumbo? What is that money?
That comes from a different pool of investors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we provide jumbo mortgages, obviously.
Okay.
So, so there's different guidelines and there's different parameters.
Gotcha. So our second question is, what do you need in order to do a jumbo if your loan amount is over this $453,100?
Yeah, so typically what you need is a good to excellent credit score.
What's good to excellent? Sometimes people think 500 is good to great.
500 is great. Typically over a 680.
Okay.
Although we may be able to do it with something less than that.
Okay.
Typically you need to have assets, usually about 6 months worth of payments in the bank.
Oh, really?
Or in a retirement account. Like if your payment, for example, is $3,000 a month, we want to see $18,000 after settlement in a retirement account or in a bank account.
Oh, so it could be in a retirement account too, which is
absolutely.
great.
Yeah.
What is the stipulation for conventional? How much do you need to see? Is it 3 months or not even?
No, not really, no. Only in a conventional loan do you need reserves if you own multiple pieces of real estate.
Ah.
So if you don't, then assets really aren't that big a deal.
It doesn't matter.
Right, exactly.
It doesn't matter. All right. So
Yes.
Good credit score 680,
Yes.
or obviously better, and then assets of at least 6 months in an account.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Right, exactly.
All right.
And it depends. If you put less money down, then the parameters might be more strict.
Okay.
Like for 5% down, I might need to see 9 months of reserves. Or 12
So you
months
can
of
put
reserves.
5% down on the jumbo. This myth of 20% down on the jumbo.
Yeah, you
is
do not need 20% down on a jumbo mortgage.
Gotcha.
So yeah, like I said, I mean, we can do them with 5% down. Usually, you need better credit for that. Maybe something 740 plus,
Okay.
and more assets would help as well. But yeah, we can do it with 5% down.
Okay, so 5% down is the minimum, but you need a 740 in order to get something like that, plus
Exactly.
the 6 months of assets.
Plus, make sure you have some reserves as well.
Okay. Interest rates. What are we looking at? Like, people sometimes afraid of jumbo because of interest rates.
Right, exactly. Interest rates are actually pretty comparable with what a conventional program might offer.
Okay. So I guess give me some benefits of why somebody would use a jumbo other than $453,100.
I mean, the obvious one is they can leverage more of our capital. They don't have to liquidate their bank accounts or use as much capital as they might need in order to survive or furnish the new home that they're about to buy.
Right.
So that's a major reason for it that I'd recommend it. Plus, obviously, it'll allow you to buy more house.
More house, and then what you just said. So if you're putting less money down, then you don't have to do the 20% and you do the 5.
Right.
Then if you already came in thinking you had to do 20 and now you do 5, then you already have 6 months plus in the escrow account that you now need, which is pretty awesome.
Right, exactly.
Okay. Well, I don't know. I guess that sums it up. I guess.
Yeah.
In regards, is there any disadvantage, I guess, to doing a jumbo?
That's a good question. So disadvantages would be your payment's going to be higher. The less money you put down and the more money you borrow, the higher your payment's going to be. So you have to make sure you can handle that payment.
And that's with any loan, right?
Yeah.
So I
pretty
guess
much.
That's the disadvantage of using a jumbo loan. So maybe people should do more of it. So it's backed by private. I guess as far as closing, one last question for you, Doug.
Yeah, please.
In regards to closing a jumbo loan, is there more time now required in order to close?
Well, my company, Movement Mortgage, we can close them in 3 weeks usually.
3 weeks, guys. That's not bad. I don't know. That sounds like to me.
So it's a little bit longer. Conventional mortgage, we can close typically in 2 weeks. So
that's great and terrible at the same time, right?
Right. Yeah, exactly. It's a lot of work and a lot of things fast.
Exactly. Real quick,
yeah.
but it's possible, which is great.
Now, in some cases, jumbos might take a little bit longer. It depends, obviously, but
right.
we can do it within typically 3 weeks or 30 days.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Well, Doug, thanks for coming. How do people find you?
Yeah, go to Doug Silverman, or you can go to, you can call me, 267-402-8396, or you can email me, doug.silverman@movement.com. I'll be more than happy to help you out.
Super awesome, guys. Remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day, guys.
Thanks, bye.